welcome to Maths TV. Today we will be going through 098001 Specimen Paper 2020 Cambridge IGCSE 9-1. Paper link and video index is provided in comment section. Write 17,017 in figures. So this is straightforward, simple. 17,017. Find the number of minutes from 1758 to 7.13. So we can use calculator. So 7.13 means this will be PM. So we'll add 12 in this. So 7.13 mean this will be 19 hours and 13 minutes. So 19 hours 13 minutes minus 17 hours 58 minutes. 17 hours 58 minutes. This will be equal to 1 hour 15 minutes, which is 60 plus 17. 60 plus 15 will be 75. So 75 minutes will be answer. The number of cars parked in a car park at 9 a.m. is recorded for 10 days. So they have given this data and we have to complete the stem and leaf diagram. So key is provided. 12, 13 mean 123. This means 123. So 12/3. So this will be 10. 10 means 107. Then there's no other 10 number. So 11116 will be here. Then 118 will be here. Then 114 will also be there. Right, so and next will be 120. 120 will be here, and next number will be 127 is also there. 124 is also there. So 124 and 127 both we have written. Then 129 is also there. 129, 1, 2 and 9, and then 130 is there, and 132 is there. So this one. So this can be answer, or you can rearrange them as 11 and 4, 6, 8. Anything will be correct, or you can arrange them 4, 6 and this will be 8. Then for next question, A part, we have to write 6, 7, 8, 9 correct to the nearest 100. So 100th position is of 7. So we have to round it. So it will be 6. This is the number. I'm copying this, and 100th position is this. So we'll have to remove this. It means this will be 0, 0, and this is more than 5, so it will be 6800. This one will be the answer. So we will copy here 6800, and then write B part is write 6, 7, 8, 9 correct to 3 significant figures. So 1, 2, 3 figures we require. We will be changing 9 to 0. We'll be rounding this 9 to 0. So this will be, this is more than 5. 9 is more than 5. So we will be adding 1 in 8. So it will be 8, 7, 9 and 0. So this will be our answer. A cuboid measures 6 centimeter by 3 centimeter by 2 centimeters. So these three measurements are given: length, width and height. On a 1 centimeter cube grid, draw a net of the cuboid. So we require net of the cuboid. For this question, I have, this is 3 marks question. So I have prepared a model for you, and if you see, this is the model. So for your better explanation, so if you count, these are 6 units: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. So this is lengthwise 6 units: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 units. And the other side is 3 units: 1, 2, 3 units. So 1, 2, 3 units. These are 1, 2, 3 units width and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units length. Similarly, if you check height, height is this side, so this side is 1 and 2 units. So 6 by 3 by 2 units. So this is the cuboid which I have prepared for you, and you can see different sides. So if we open this cuboid, now I will open in front of you. So if we open this cuboid, this will be like this one. So it's folding again. If you fold, this will be like this one. So this is the cuboid. So you can see this is the cuboid, and we can open for the net, and I will place it on the sheet, and if we fix it on the sheet over here, we can fix it over here and mark the points. So if we mark, these are the points which I am marking. This is the folding from here, and this one as well. So we can check the marks. So I'm putting the marks on each and every corner, and that's all we have done. I'll remove this one. So again, if I'll place for you, this is the net for cuboid. So I have marked all the sides, and if we remove this one, this is the net basically, and we can, by the help of the scale, we can draw the net. So this will be this one, and similarly this one. So foldings also we can show. So this one also we can join these points, whatever we have marked. This is also the side, which is folding side, and this is the last portion, this one, and this one, last edge. So this is the net. If you want, you can show foldings with dotted line, and this will be the dotted line. You can show foldings with dotted lines. So these are the dotted lines which we are showing. This will be the net. Here also there is folding. so you can show folding with this one. So this is basically the down part, base. So if you see again, this is the base, which is this one. So what we have done, basically we have folded this side, again this side, and this side as well, and this side, and the last flap, this one, right? So this is how we have prepared this cuboid. Write down the order of rotational symmetry of the shape. Rotational symmetry of this shape we can check with the help of tracing paper. Rotational symmetry of this given shape, for example this one, we can use this tracing piece of paper and check. If you, okay, I will make a small piece of the tracing paper and we can check the rotational symmetry of the diagram easily with the help of tracing paper. Like for example, see, this is the tracing paper, and if we trace the shape like this one, I'm tracing this shape. So this side is black, so I'm filling this. This is also filled one, solid. So this is also corner, solid. So rotational symmetry we can check. Like for example, from here, if we start rotation, so this will be first position 1, then second position will be this one where we are fixing it. So if I'll show you after marking the first position, then for example, see this one, I'm taking a small piece and we can fix it over here like this one. If this is our first shape, one I have marked, so this will be first rotation. Then if we rotate this one, this will again fix at this position, so this is position 2, and once again when we will turn this will be position 3. So this will be first one position, second position, and third position. So order of rotational symmetry will be 3. Then draw all the lines of symmetry on the shape. Lines of symmetry we can draw, like for example, first line of symmetry will be this one. From here, when we join this shape, this will be the line of symmetry. So this shape you can flap on this, you can put on this one. Similarly, second line of symmetry will be this one. So this will be our second line of symmetry, and third line of symmetry will be this one. So these are 3 lines of symmetry. We have done B part. Then write down a fraction which is equivalent to 3 by 5. There are so many fractions, you can just multiply 3 by 5 by any number, say by 2. So both numerator and denominator you can multiply by 2. So we'll get 6 by 10. So 3 to the 6 and 5 to the 10. So 6 by 10. You can give any other, like if you are multiplying by 3, this will be 9 by 15, like that. So write on the reciprocal of 7. Reciprocal of 7 mean it will be 1 by 7. So reciprocal of 7 will be 1 over 7. A cube has volume of 1000 centimeter cube. So it means volume is equal to length into width into height. So this will be 10 into 10 into 10. So each side will be 10. So that's why volume is 1000. So one side is 10. So surface area of cube, and we know surface area is equal to side into um, 6 into length of a side square. So if side is 10, so 6 into 10 square, this will be equal to 6 into 100, which is equal to 600. So answer will be 600. Dan either walks or cycles to school. The probability that he cycles to school is 1 by 5. This is given. Write down the probability that Dan walks to school. So 1 by 5 is cycles, then remaining will be 4 by 5, so that is 4 by 5. There are 200 days in school year. Work out the expected number of days that Dan cycles to school in a school year. So we'll calculate 1 by 5 of 200. So we can use calculator. 1 over 5 of 200 will be equal to 40. So 40 will be the answer. Using a ruler and pair of compasses only, construct a triangle with sides 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter base we can take by the help of scale. We can draw 10 centimeter base, which is over here from 0 to 10 centimeter. So we can draw, this is 10 centimeter exact, so we can write here 10 centimeters. So this is the base, and the remaining will be 8 centimeter and 5 centimeter. We'll use the compass, and we'll open the compass accordingly. Over here first we'll open 8 centimeter, and if we check from here 8 centimeter, we can open exact 8 centimeter, and after opening 8 centimeter we can put over here and make an arc like this one, and this is 8 centimeter. Then 5 centimeter, we'll have to readjust it to 5 centimeter. So this will be 5 centimeter, and we'll put on the other side and we'll intersect the arc. So we'll have to extend the other arc, so we can adjust the other arc like this one. We will extend the arc, and now we got this point, and we can join these 2 points with this one. With this, and on this side also we'll have to. Now this is the construction of this. This side is 8 centimeter and this side is 5 centimeters. Here is a list of numbers. Put a ring around the number with the largest value. So we'll have to convert everything into decimal so that we can compare them, because this is decimal, this is fraction, again fraction, this is decimal, this is percentage. So we'll have to convert everything into decimal first so that we can compare. We can take help of calculator. So this is already decimal. This one we can divide. 1 divided by 3 will be 0.33 recurring. So 0.33 recurring. So I'll write 3 or 4 numbers I can write. because this is 4 digits, so this is already decimal. This will be 3 over 100. So I will use calculator to divide, and this one will be 3 by 10, so this will be 0.3. So this is 0.3. If we check 33% mean 33 divided by 100, so this will be equal to 0.33. Now we can compare these decimals. Largest will be see, this is 0.33. This is also 0.33, but this is after these two numbers. This is having additional part as well, which is recurring 3, which is not there in this one. So we will circle this 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is the largest number, right? So what we can do, we can erase these numbers which we have done or working with the calculator. So we can erase, and we can show only 1 by 3 circled. Complete these statements. 6 meter is the same length as, we'll have to convert meters into millimeters. We know that 1 meter is having 100 centimeters, and each centimeter is having 10 millimeters. So there are 1000 millimeters in 1 meter. So 6 meter will be having 6000 millimeters. Similarly, this one, 7000 centimeter square is the same area as in meter square. We'll have to convert into meter square. So 7000 divided by, this is centimeter square, so we'll divide by 100 and then again by 100, because this is centimeter square. Each centimeter will be converted into meter. So now this will be meter square. We can use this calculation with the calculator. We'll use calculator to calculate this. 7000 divided by 100 into 100 again. So we can check, this is 0.7. So we can write 0.7 over here. ABCDE is a pentagon. This is a pentagon. Explain why the diagram shows that the sum of interior angles of pentagon is 540. Do not measure any angle. We know this is these are triangles, basically 1 triangle, 2 and 3 triangles, and we know that each triangle, interior angles of a triangle are adding up to 180 degree. So this will be 180 degree interior angle, this one also 180, and for this one also 180. So 180 multiplied by 3 will be 540. So we can write here that 3 into 180 will be equal to 540, and we will write that interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Simplify x raised to 3 y raised to 4 into x raised to 5 y raised to 3. So x raised to 3 into x raised to 5 will be x raised to 3 plus 5, which is 8, and y raised to 4 plus 3, which is 7. Because bases will be adding, multiplying, and parts will be adding. So answer will be x raised to power 8, y raised to power 7. So we can even write working over here instead of writing directly, because this is a 2-mark question. So you can write x raised to power 3 plus 5 and y raised to power 4 plus 3. That will be better, because this will be one step and this will be the answer. So you will get 2 marks. Write 2020 in standard form. So standard form, you know, we have to put decimal after first non-zero digit. So we can write this as this 0.0, 2020.0. Now we have to shift this 0 after this one, this location. So 1, 2, 3, there will be 3 jumps. So 2.02 into 10 raised to the power 3. So this will be our answer, 2.02 into 10 raised to the power 3. Kim knows that one angle of an isosceles triangle is 48. He says that one of the other angles must be 66. Explain why Kim is wrong. So there can be two options. One option is 48 plus 66 plus 66. So this will be adding up to 180 degree. 48 plus 66 plus 66, this will be adding up to 180 degree. This can be option. There can be another option, which is second option, that it can be other angle, which is, for example, 84 plus 84 will be what? Like, for example, it can be, instead of this one, it can be 48 plus 48. 48 plus 48 will be 96 minus 180. So other angle can be 84. So 48 plus 48. So it can be, because the isosceles triangle is having two angles equal, so it can be 66, 66, these two angles equal, or 48 and 48 angles are equal, and the third angle will be 84. This will also add up to 180 degree. So in explanation we can write the other angle could be, the other angle could be 84 degrees. Explain why under root 3 is irrational number. Irrational numbers are the numbers which cannot be written in fraction format. So we can write that under root 3 cannot be written in fraction. So hence this will be cannot be written in fraction, so this will be irrational number. So the mass m kilograms of a horse is 429 kg. Correct to the nearest kilograms. Complete this statement m. So m can be 429, 28.5. It will be more than that. And the upper bound will be 429.5, and upper bound is only this one. M will be less than this. This side will be less than equal to, this side will be less than. Rearrange the formula. This is given equation W to make the subject. So we'll send everything to the other side. So 5W is equal to 3Y minus 7, and W will be equal to 3Y minus 7 over 5. We can write this answer over the given space, 3Y minus 7 over 5. Use set notation to describe the shaded regions in each Venn diagram. This one you know is A, so we will write just A. And B part, this is what? This is B complement, which is not in B. Intersection A. So we'll write B complement intersection A. This will be our answer for B part. The radius of the sphere is given 5.2 centimeter. Work out the surface area of the sphere, and for surface area formula is given. So A is equal to 4 pi r squared So we will write A is equal to 4 pi, R square will be 5.2 squared. So we can use calculator to solve this. So 4 into pi will be this one, into 5.2 squared will be equal to 339. 4 pi r squared will be 339.79, or we can round this one to 340. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So ABC is similar to PQR. Find PQ. So this side we have to find. This side will be having same ratio as these two sides are given. We will check. Ratio will be K will be equal to 21.7 divided by 12.4. So we'll use calculator to find the conversion ratio. 21.7 divided by 12.4 will be equal to 1.75. So 1.75, we will multiply this side to get PQ. Basically this is the PQ which is required. So 5.2 into 1.75 this will be equal to PQ. So we can use calculator. 1.75 multiply by 5.2, which will be equal to 9.1. So this will be 9.1 centimeter. This is Venn diagram question. This is universal set, which is children who go to the park. Children who play tennis will be this one, T, and G is the children who play golf. 120 children go to the park, so 120 in total. 50 play tennis, 50 are in this one, and 75 play golf, so 75 in this, and 25 do not play tennis or golf. They don't play, so 25 will be this outside region. 25. Now this is overlapping. If we are considering this one as X, so 50 play tennis mean 50. This will be X, 50 minus X, 50 minus X, and 75 play golf, so this will be 75 minus X. So now we can form equation from this. So equation will be 50 minus X plus X plus 75 minus X and plus 25, this one, total is equal to 120 children, right? So this is the equation. How we formed the equation? We added this plus this plus this plus this is equal to 120. So this minus and plus will cancel. This will be 50 plus 75. 50 plus 75 will be 125. 125 plus 25 again will be equal to 150. So this will be 150 minus X is equal to 120. X we can shift to this side. So X is equal to 150 minus 120. So X will be equal to 30. So this X is 30. So we will write here 30. Now this is 50 minus X mean 50 minus 30. 50 minus 30 will be 20. So we can erase this and write here 20. So this will be 20, and this X also we can remove, and this will be 75 minus 30 will be 45. So we can write here 45. So this is how we can reach to the answer. B part, find n of T intersection G. T intersection G is this region, and we know this is 30, so we can write here answer is 30. Factorize completely 18x minus 24. So what we can do, we can take common 6, we can take common 6 3s are 18, x minus then 6 4s are 24. So this one will be the further simplification is not possible, so we can write this as answer. Then simplify this, w5 w raised to 5 whole raised to 4, so power of a power, so it will be multiplying, so w raised to 20, so we can write here w raised to the power 20. Without using your calculator, work out this. Basically they require your whole working so that they can check you whether you are able to calculate the fractions or not. So this is the mixed fraction, so we can change this improper, this is basically 12 into 1, so we can change 12 into 1 will be 12 plus 17, so it will be 19 over 12, plus this will be 13 by 20, so we can take LCM, or like for example this will be we can take as like 240, so 240 divided by 12 will be 20, so 19 into 20 over here, plus this will be 13 into 12, this one, so we can multiply this as 20 multiplied by 19 will be what? So this will be 0, 380, so this will be 380, and 13 into 12 we can multiply 13 into 12, so 26, and this will be 13, so it will be 156, so plus 156 over 240. So now we can add 380 plus 156, so this will be 536 divided by 240, and now you can divide this. So if we divide, you know division, so you can easily divide by 240, and this will be 67 by 30. We can after cancellation also you can check, so 67 by 30 in mixed fraction, this will be 2 whole 7 by 30. This will be your answer, 2 whole 7 by 30. By rounding each number correct to one significant figure, estimate the value of this. You must show all your working, like for example this one. So if we round this to this number 2, 3 and 4, so this will be rounded to 90,000 over this will be rounded to 10 squared, so 10 squared. So what we can do, we can write this one as this will be under root of this one 90000, square root will be, we can show even working also this one. So if we check, under root of this one will be 300, so we can write, we can separately write 90000 this one over under root of 10 squared, so this will be 300, which we checked with the help of calculator also. So this will be 300 over square root, and square will cancel, so it will be 10, and this 0 will cancel with this one, so answer will be 30. We can copy this over here. The nth term of a sequence is n cube minus 5. Write down first three terms. So we'll replace n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1, this will be 1 cube minus 5, which is 1 minus 5, which is minus 4. So our first answer will be minus 4. This is n is equal to 1. When n is equal to 2, this will be 2 cube minus 5. So 2 cube will be 8. 8 minus 5 will be 3. So answer will be 3. Next will be when n is equal to 3. This will be 3 cube minus 5, which is 27 minus 5, which is 25. So you can write answer 25 minus 5 will be 22. So we can write answer as 22. Here is a sequence of numbers. This sequence is given. Find an expression for the nth term of the sequence. So if we check the difference, 6 minus 3 will be 3, and 11 minus 6 will be 5. Then 18 minus 11 will be 7. 27 minus 18 will be 9. And if we check the second order difference, this will be 2. This one also 2, and this is 2. So this is showing that n square is involved, right? So n square, if you are taking first term square will be 1. So 1 square will be 1, but we need 3. So plus 2. So n square plus 2. If we replace 1, 2, 3, 4, for example, 4 square will be 16 plus 2, we will get 18. So this formula is working. So we'll write here n square plus 2. OAB is a sector of a circle with radius 9 and center O, and the angle at O is 30 degrees. This one, calculate the area of this sector. Give your answer in terms of pi. So area of a sector, we know formula for area of a sector is equal to theta over 360 into pi r squared. So theta is 30 degree. 30 over 360 into pi into r square will be 9 square. So we can use calculator to simplify, and this will be 30 over 360 into pi, which is this one, pi into 9 squared over this side into 9 squared. This will be equal to 27 by 4 pi. We can write 27 by 4 pi, but answer we require in terms of pi, so we will divide only 27 divided by 4. We will get 6.75. So we can write here 6.75 pi. So we have done with the paper, and hopefully you understood everything. And if you like the video, if you like the answers, then you can subscribe the channel also, so that you can get the updated videos. Thanks for watching.